Effective ways to stop your dog peeing on bed. Top rate reviews. If you find your dog peeing while sleeping, or have the rude awakening of your bed getting wet at some point during the night, you are not alone. If you find your dog peeing on the bed, you may want to explore its recent medical or behavioral history and find the reason for it. Why do my dogs peeing on my bed? While many people have the misconception that their dog has forgotten their house training, or is simply too lazy to get up from its sleep, there are actually many, more logical, reasons for your dog wetting the bed, including the following. Hormone-responsive urinary incontinence. This condition is often present in spayed middle-aged female dogs, as the removing of the ovaries causes an imbalance in estrogen levels. As a result, female dogs may start wetting the bed, because they cannot consciously hold their bladders long enough to get out of the bed to pee. Urinary tract infection. Such infections are common in dogs, and a UTI for a dog is quite similar to what humans with UTIs face. Symptoms include an inability to control one's bladder, painful urination, and even blood in the urine. Diabetes. Diabetic dogs often face a weakening of their bladder control. It is also important to keep in mind that diabetic dogs are usually more thirsty than normal, and they may drink a lot of water to compensate for this. This can lead to your dog wetting the bed, especially if they drink right before bedtime. Other medical conditions, which may be the cause of your dog wetting the bed, including bladder stones, spinal cord injuries, and cognitive disorders or deficits. Age. The weakening of the urethral sphincter is a natural occurrence in aging dogs, so if your dog is older and wetting the bed, do not be alarmed, as it may be a naturally occurring phenomenon. Stress, anxiety, or fear. Many dog owners who have adopted their pets from a shelter or have rescue dogs face the problem of their pet wetting the bed. How to stop a dog from peeing on the bed. The following will help you solve the issue without having to put in too much effort. Use a waterproof dog bed. Buying a new waterproof bed for your dog can be the easiest solution, as it ensures little cleanup and allows you to rest in ease knowing your dog can pee on their bed without having too many harsh repercussions. Take your dog out more frequently. This is especially useful for dogs that have medical conditions or are used to drinking an excessive amount of water right before bed. Limit access to your bed and bedroom at night. This is a useful way to train your dog, as it will learn that it is only allowed in your room when you give permission. Make it a habit to gently stop your dog from coming to your bed or bedroom at bedtime, and guide your dog to its doggy bed if needed. Retrain your dog. Some useful tips for retraining include alerting your dog to their action being bad by making a loud noise, praising them whenever they pee outdoors, and avoiding the use of punishment. If your dog pees in sleep, it may be facing problems that are beyond the surface and beyond your understanding. The only way that you can find a solution or a preventative measure for this problem is by finding out what is causing it. However, before you go about finding the root cause all on your own, it is crucial that you turn to an expert first and get their opinion on the matter.